Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one for you today. We're going to talk about growing lemon trees. I'm assuming that's why you guys are here. We're going to talk about how to grow lemon seeds. First thing I want to talk about is all these other YouTube videos telling you to peel the seed, let them dry out, put them in the paper towel, all these other nonsense things. Just ignore them. Honestly, if you want to do it the easiest way, it may not be the quickest way. I'm not sure. I haven't done it any other way, but this is seriously the easiest way to do it. Is just plant it in the dirt. You're gonna see here, I got some lemons going on there. If you look towards the top, there's a little one trying to pop out of the dirt in the back. But every single seed has grown. It's gonna be turning into a tree here soon. So I've had 100% success rate with this. What I did, I just stuck it in the dirt, maybe quarter to half inch down, and I've kept the soil moist, watering it every day. That's literally all I've done. I haven't done anything else, haven't done any magic stuff. I've just put it in dirt, put it in a windowsill where it's getting warm, sun, and in a bright room, and that's all I've done. It's seriously the most simple way you can do it, I think. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I invite you guys to try it yourself. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure to like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.